a difference in your neighborhood, our country, and our world.
You are watching the Glamamut Network. And now, back to the show.
Well, I'm grounded.
Me too.
Me 3.
Ditto.
I've learned my lesson. I don't care about the power. I'm not ever wearing that outfit again.
Shoot, my mama burned mine. Yeah, my daddy put mine in a paper shredder.
I don't hear you. Earth to Zoe.
I'm wearing mine under my clothes right now. I love the power. Goodbye.
Dang!
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, South Central Orange County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Branchville to near Long Valley to near Skillman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield and West Milford around 8:05 p.m. Summit and Milburn around 8:10 p.m. Wayne and Ringwood around 8:15 p.m. Linden and Orange around 8:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You are watching the Glamamut Network. We'll be right back.
The bear climbed over the mountain, the bear climbed over the mountain, the bear climbed over the mountain, and what do you think he saw? What do you think he saw? What do you think he saw? The bear climbed over the mountain, the bear climbed over the mountain, the bear climbed over the mountain, and what do you think he saw?
If only the whole world worked like the all-new Kia Sedona. With memory control seats, DVD player, and 13-speaker Infinity sound system, it truly is state-of-the-art. The completely redesigned Kia Sedona.
Kia, movement that inspires.
I went in for something sweet and found something to indulge the whole family.